Valutrades.
Welcome to this week's Market Blast Fundamentals, where we will look at Euro Pound, Euro Dollar, WTI, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average. The U.S. indices like the Dow Jones or US 30 have risen today after 4 days of losses, based on good news regarding the coronavirus vaccine, and we might expect further gains if the U.S. Congress and the U.S. Treasury Secretary can agree on a stimulus package. However, keep an eye on the news as U.S. Thanksgiving is this weekend, and we expect coronavirus cases to spike, putting more strain on the economy. The good vaccine news has also helped the price of crude oil, which had WTI reaching $42.88 this morning, but again watch for further lockdowns in many countries in the next few days and weeks, which will keep prices lower. The U.S. major pairs have shown weakness, and this may continue if the U.S. stimulus package is approved and investors convert cash to equities. But watch this week for U.S. consumer confidence. Tuesday and Wednesday we have U.S. GDP, durable goods orders, and new home sales. Of course, we need to keep an eye on the UK pound getting stronger, with Brexit talks coming to a head this week. That's all for now. Happy trading with Valutrades, and we will see you tomorrow. CFDs and FX are leveraged products, and your capital may be at risk.